Hi guys, I'm Ashley Roberts, and in today's video, I'm breaking down 10 profitable small business ideas that you can start for under $100. You don't need a trust fund, an investor, or a huge following. Just your laptop, a little intuition, and the willingness to get started. And these aren't the typical start a lash brand suggestions, okay? We're talking real, low-lift ideas that can fit into your life right now. So whether you want more time, flexibility, or just some extra income without burning out, there's something in here for you. Let's get into it. So first off is an Etsy digital download store. If you're creative or even just organized, this business is one of the fastest ways to earn passive income. Digital downloads let you design a product once and then sell it over and over and over again without even touching inventory. Think minimalistic planners, budgeting templates, kids routine charts, affirmation cards. And the easiest way to do this, and a tool that I use all the time, is Canva. I just find it super simple and easy to use. I don't like to use anything complicated. I really just want something simple. So Canva does have a free option, but I personally use the Canva Pro. I use it for everything, but honestly, you can create a template, like honestly make it for anything, but even let's just see mindful eating tracker, okay? So obviously you want to customize it to make it your own, but let's just say we want to go for more of like a journal like this. You can literally customize it directly on here and change it to, again, make it your own, and you don't have to sell this as a journal or anything like that. What you can do is just sell it directly on Etsy. But again, like obviously you can customize this to be whatever it is, change the colors, change the fonts, change whatever it is that makes it your own, and then sell it on Etsy. Once you're confident, you can expand your product line using Printify too, just another simple option, and that will just turn your best designs into physical goods. Like if we wanted to make this into an actual physical notebook, you can, but that's completely optional. And with Printify, you don't even have to hold the inventory at all. So this type of business is best if you're organized, creative, and you just love the aesthetic side and the creativity side of things. So to get started, what I would recommend doing is 1, choose a niche, make sure you're clear on what it is that you actually want to sell, then figure out what tool you need. So maybe that is Canva, maybe starting off with the free version, and then you can research other bestsellers on Etsy, and then you'll upload a couple listings from there, and then you just want to promote on Pinterest or TikTok. And also too, if you are wanting to get started with Canva or Printify, we've got links down in the description below. Okay, next up is content repurposing for coaches and creators. So honestly, YouTubers get super overwhelmed. They record amazing content, but don't have time to turn it into short form clips, carousels, or reels. Honestly, this is something that I'm personally struggling with right now. Is I have my long form podcast, but it takes so much time for me to go in and figure out what clips I want to post. And that's where you would come in. And there are so many cool tools that you can make this super easy. And I should probably take my own advice and use one of these tools. There's actually a tool called Descript. So you can take long form video or podcast and turn it into 5 pieces of social media content. You can use something like Repurpose.io to schedule and automate it across platforms. You can charge per batch or offer monthly packages. It's a service that's in high demand right now and growing every single day. So I just want to quickly show you what Descript looks like since we can get a free trial. You can type in your email or go ahead and use Google, which I always just find it easier to do that. Then it'll just ask us what we want to use it for, what best describes you. Okay, we'll just get started for free. So we'll go ahead and sign in. And what I love about Descript is just this easy, clean UI. That's something that I really value and I probably talk about in every single video, but it's really important to me that it's easy to navigate. So here you can see edit a video, make a podcast, create social clips. So again, like I said, the UI is just so important, and this is such an easy way if you want to transcribe a file. But even like the example we used, if you are working for someone and you want to just create social clips, all you do is upload a file and it will automatically create the small clips. They've also got some projects here, quick recordings, some learning and tools here, AI speakers, and layout packs. So again, super simple, easy to use, and it would be a super easy way to make some money on the side. This is best for creatives who love editing or organizing content, and the potential income could be $200 to $500 per month per client. I'd recommend building a portfolio with a few creators you admire. Focus on creators in growth mode who need help showing up online, and keep a folder of templates templates to speed up your workflow. Okay, number 3 is affiliate marketing. And if you're the friend who always shares products, links, or book recs, this business is your dream. Start a newsletter using Beehive or another marketing platform. There's even Active Campaign, and just write about the things that you already love. Clean beauty, wellness hacks, tech tools, productivity tips. So then once you feel really confident and you have a lot of products that you really use, what you can do is sign up for Share a Sale to monetize with affiliate links. So you don't have to create any product, no customer support, just you, your voice, and your recommendations. And over time, your email list becomes your biggest asset. This is best for women who love writing, sharing tips, or curating recommendations. And just so you have a little bit of a getting started checklist, choose your niche that you genuinely love. People love consistency, so make sure it's something that you really want to show up and talk about a lot. You can sign up for Beehive or another type of email marketing, then sign up for Share a Sale where you can get affiliate links, and then just start your first 3 emails. I highly recommend doing weekly, maybe even add a freebie or something like that to entice your audience to want to get on your list. Number 4 is an Amazon product research assistant. So if you're someone who loves spotting trends or digging into data, you could become a product research assistant for Amazon sellers. Sellers are constantly looking for low competition, high demand product ideas, but they don't always have the time to do the research themselves. Learn to use Jungle Scout to find profitable product opportunities and then sell your findings as reports or bundles. Some people charge $50 to $150 per bundle. And this is best for you if you're a very analytical thinker, you love researching, and are very detail oriented. Some tips are to learn the basics of Amazon FBA so you understand seller needs. Go into ChatGPT and get all the information you need there. Then you can go ahead and offer 5 product ideas and data sheet packages. And I would honestly use Canva to make it super cute and create a report that really stands out that you can easily send to people. Number 5 is to sell Canva templates for busy moms. Busy moms love anything that saves time, especially when it's cute and functional. So you can create helpful templates like morning routines, chore charts, birthday party planners, weekly family meal plans. Use Canva to design and Etsy to sell, or even Shopify. And as your sales grow, expand to your own Shopify store for more control. And I even showed you how easy it is to quickly make a template on Canva. So this is best for maybe moms who would understand that niche, teachers, or women who love planning. And just a small tip is to keep it super niche. So example, for moms with toddlers or for ADHD teens, that will sell so much better than just a generic type of template. So next is a podcast clip editor. Podcasts are exploding, but creators need help standing out on social media. Your job would be to take the 30 to 60 second clips and make them scroll stopping. So you can use Opus Clip, is again a really simple tool to use, or CapCut to clip highlights and add captions. Once you master the flow, this can become a monthly retainer service. This is really best for people who love storytelling, video editing, or podcasting. So to get started, just go and try Opus Clip or one of the other platforms that we talked about. Go ahead and sample from your favorite podcasts. Offer to edit for free in exchange for a testimonial, and then charge per clip or buy a monthly package. Number 7 is to launch a mini course or coaching offer. So if you ever overcome something in your life, maybe gut health healing, financial recovery, confidence, or mindset, you can teach it. Create a mini course using Teachable with 3 to 5 modules, or record a few live coaching sessions and turn them into a digital product. Even with just 10 sales at $50, you've made $500 on something you built once. So just a few tips is to keep it simple and start with a 60-minute training and workbook, then use a freebie to grow your email list while you sell the course. And honestly, I know it can feel super overwhelming, but don't wait until you feel ready. Take the first step and everything will fall into place after that. Number 8 is to become a UGC creator. So that is user generated content. You actually don't need to be an influencer to get paid to create content for brands. UGC is all about real people showing how they use real products. Just as an example, a 30-second TikTok get ready with me video, mini reviews, or Instagram stories. What you can do is use kit.co to organize your favorite products and earn affiliate income on top of UGC payments. This is best for women who are confident on camera and love trying new products. And I will say, you don't have to be confident right away, but if it's something you're genuinely interested in, it just takes practice and the confidence will come. So what you can do to get started is just choose a few products you already use and love, record a short demo or review videos, pitch brands via the DMs or Upwork, and then start building a media kit. So think one pager with your content style and pricing. And again, I would use Canva for that too. I told you I use it for everything. Okay, number 9 is wedding and event calligraphy or handwriting. If your handwriting is even a little bit better than average, you can turn it into a creative income stream. Offer handwritten name cards, wedding envelopes, seating charts, and signage. Brides pay well for a personal, elegant touch. You can even, again, use Canva to create that service portfolio and show your work on Etsy or Instagram. This is best for creative introverts, artists, or lettering lovers. A pro tip is to learn faux calligraphy before investing in expensive tools. Most clients care about the aesthetic than the method. And again, if this is something that's calling your name, you'll know it. If you're like, I don't know if that's for me, there's so many other options. So don't put pressure on yourself to pick this exact one. Maybe even from all of these 10, find something that kind of fits your niche and who you are and your interests, but make it your own. Number 10 is SEO content writing for small businesses. If you love writing and want to help small business growth, this business pays so well. What you'll do is write blogs and service pages that help local businesses rank higher in Google. You're offering them organic traffic and more customers without ads. And what you'll want to do is use some sort of tool like SEMrush to actually find popular keywords before you write these pages for them so they can rank higher in Google. This is definitely best for strong writers and researchers and detail-oriented creators. You also can use ChatGPT to help with this as well. So even if you're not the most amazing writer, but you have a good attention to detail, you can use these tools together to become an SEO content writer. So just to get started, what I would recommend doing is definitely choose a niche, maybe wellness, real estate, coaching, whatever you feel excited about. And then you can offer 500 to 1,000 word blog posts for maybe $75 to $150 each. Build a few samples based on keyword search, and maybe even offer to do one free one for a testimonial. Okay, that covers all 10 business ideas. No more waiting until someday. Each one of these business ideas is low cost, which is under $100 to start. It's high value and people are already paying for these things. It's also scalable and it's something that you can grow into full time if that's what you want. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. Pick the idea that lights you up. Take messy action. Use tools to your advantage like Canva or Printify or Share a Sale. And most importantly, trust yourself. You're more than capable of building a life that works for you. I'd love to know in the comments which idea you're looking to start, and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping ambitious entrepreneurs turn their ideas into income and build a life on their terms. All of the links for everything we talked about are in the description below. Highly recommend checking them out. There's a bunch of good ones there. And again, leave any questions or comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.